Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's your girl Cheche Okoye. If you are new to my channel and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, yes, look at my face and this face beats. Okay, I don't know what I did. I was just trying to do a video for Instagram and I'm like trying out something different, something that is not my usual makeup, and a lip that is not my usual lip color. Okay. I know, you know my videos, it's always like nude. If it's not nude, I do manage to do red, but today I was like, I got purple in a mystery box, why not just try it out? And whatever that is going on my eyes, that was just me trying to be creative. So yeah, all right, so in this video guys, I'm going to be reviewing a contact lens, well, brand contact lens brand. Okay, so this video is definitely not sponsored. The opinions are mine. I'm just trying to, it's more like me trying out contact lenses for the first time. Yeah. And I'm already wearing one. I'm wearing one because I had to try it out. Okay, I had to. It took me 2 hours or more to put it in, but yeah, it is in. That is the most important thing. So this is from TTDEYE. Okay, so they reached out to me and they sent me this package, and I was just curious to, like, you know, get it because it's contact lenses. I've always wanted to try contact lenses, but I've been like too scared. Like, I don't know where to get them from and I don't know if I should trust them. But I mean, when you get a free contact lens, you have no choice but to try it, which I'm going to do today in this video. Okay, so yeah, this is the box. Of course, I've already opened it because I told you guys I'm wearing one already after the struggle. Okay, so this is it, and if you open up the box, this is what you see inside. A little paper saying hello to me and just some information at the back here. Yeah, okay, and then the next thing you see inside the box is this, and I believe these are stickers. Yeah, beautiful stickers. All right, so yeah, inside the box, okay, so inside the box they sent 4 contact lenses. Okay, and they are not inside this. These are just the packages, which is quite interesting. I mean, you get contact lens and then you get the storage, which is okay. And of course, I've opened one, so I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. So it just looks like this, and when you open it up, you get this. This helps you to like bring out your contact lenses or put it back without having to touch it. I guess that's sanitary. And of course, it comes with this. It's also like an applicator. Okay, you put your lens on top and then you put it in your eyes, just so you don't have to touch the contact lens. Here, also inside the package, you get this, and of course, this is just the storage stuff. Okay, so yeah, let's get into this box. Yeah, so the next thing is this. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's inside here. And then we have more stickers. This is actually pretty cool. We have more flower stickers. Okay, 4. And then I think this is a mirror. Yeah, we have a mirror. It has the brand name at the back, TTDEYE. Okay, guys, so one more thing is that when they wanted to send me the lens, okay, I discovered, so they have like prescription lenses as well. So if you're having like eye issues and you need lenses, like prescription lenses, of course, you could tell them the kind of lens you wear. I don't know how they do the whole thing, but there are questions that I had to like fill out. Okay, there was a form I had to fill asking you for your lens, your prescription, whatever, all those stuff, and then they send you the one for your eyes. Okay, but me, I have normal eyes. I don't wear lenses. I don't have eye issues, so they sent me the normal lens. Okay, so that's just like a bonus, I guess. You know, if you don't want to wear medicated glasses, you could wear contact lenses. Yeah, the first one in the box is this, and I've tried to like find the name. They have names on the website, they have names, but I'm trying to figure out the name for this one. I don't know, it doesn't have name. The names are not written here, but the names are on the website. So yeah, anyway, the first one I'm going to try out is this, which is what I'm wearing. So I'm going to zoom you guys close to see my beautiful eyes. My beautiful eyes wearing contact lenses. If you don't know how excited I am, I've been trying to start wearing contact lenses. I figured it was going to be like an impossible task, or I might not stop blinking, okay, because it's me. If I wear it, people have to know I am wearing it. Okay, I have to blink. Okay, they need to see my eyes and like, oh, that's beautiful eyes. I mean, why not? Another thing again that you guys should keep in mind is that it doesn't come with a solution, okay, which is very important if you want to preserve them. In this, you need a solution. The water that it comes with when you bring out the lenses inside this is not a solution, so you have to buy a solution. And I got this from the pharmacy here, and this is Opti-Free Pure Moist. Okay, this is a solution. This is what I've been using to keep this one disinfected, clean, moist. Okay, guys, so yeah, you guys are up close and personal, seeing all the fine lines and the wrinkles and all that. Okay, so yeah, this is the first one that I've been wearing for like 2 days now. I mean, the first day was me trying to figure out how to put it on, and then I started wearing it. So yeah, look at my eyes, blue. Okay guys, so let's try the second one. When you open it up, okay, you bring out the lenses. They are like two of them. Oh no, and funny enough, this is the golden. Okay, I thought they were supposed to look like the pack. I mean, I opened this up, which is what I'm wearing now, and it's blue, and I was like, but the pack is golden. And this one, the pack is blue, but then it's golden. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this on and show you guys how it looks on my eyes, on my skin tone. All right. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the second one, golden brown. I feel like it's more golden than brown. Yeah, it's golden and it's so beautiful. My evil laughter. Actually, this is my happy laughter, but evil laughter. My friend said I laugh like an evil person. I don't know, I am a good person though. It's just too much of Nollywood if you watch Nigerian movies, so yeah, you know. Okay guys, so the last one I put on, I think I'll call that one brown because this one is golden and obviously golden. Okay, and then I discovered that as I was trying to put it on, that at the back it has the name, and the name says Queen Brown. Okay, it says Queen Brown, but it looks more golden than brown, and then it has the color of the lens here, and I don't know why the rest doesn't have it. Okay, I mean, I figured that this is how it should be, but okay. So this one is like a golden shade. Okay, golden. It kind of blends into my eyes. Like, you might think it's mine. Oh no, you don't know it's mine. But this is beautiful. I can't believe how amazing these lenses are. I can't believe I've never tried lens in my life. I've been too scared to, but now wait for me, because I am coming out with my eyes. Okay guys, so yeah, this is it, and of course I'm going to bring you guys closer. Okay, baby, come closer and see my eyes and see how flawless and beautiful this is. Guys, this is taking me like basically like 2 seconds to put on because they're so soft, extremely soft. Of course, when you try that for the first time as a new person, you're going to have the whole discomfort, but if you keep it on for a while, it will just melt into your eyes like as if it's your eyes. Okay, when I tried the first one, it was hell. Okay. But now this is the third one, and I basically just do this, put it. I'm like, when did I become an expert in lens? Okay, yeah, so this is it. Come close and see my. Okay guys, so yeah, this is you guys very close to me, and this is the lens. This is beautiful. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section about these lenses. These lenses are so fine. Okay, I am not exaggerating. I am just a happy person trying out a happy thing. You guys know if it's not nice, I'm good. Tell you guys, I am going to say it with a sad face. I don't hesitate to do that. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is golden and this is fire. Alright, hey guys, so yeah, finally the last lens. Okay, and looking at the package, it looks green. I mean, I did add green to my cart, and I hope this is the green one, and I can't wait to try the green one though. Green. And then at the back of it, okay, each and every of the package, it has the expiring date, so you know this expires in 2025, so you know the expiring date. I believe contact is not to be worn forever. You can always change it up. I mean, I probably will not wait till 2025 to change this. Maybe like wait for a couple of months, get new ones from them, change it, you know, switch things up. But yeah, just for safety purposes, it has expiring date. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and show you guys. I'm kind of a little bit excited to try this one because green eyes. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I put on the lenses. Since this is the last one, you guys are curious to find out how I do it, even though it's my first time trying them. Okay, and I'm sweating. If you live in Australia, you know that this is our summer and it's driving me crazy. Okay, we go up to like almost 40 degrees. I want to scream because I can't on my fan. My fan is going to disturb you guys. So yeah, I'm stuck with me trying to like finish up this video as quick as possible, as quickly as possible. So I'm trying to like finish up this video as quickly as possible so I can just on it, because I'm about to suffocate in my own room. Somebody help. Okay guys, so I'm going to just show you guys how I put on these last lashes and then wrap up this video before somebody faints. Inside this package, it has water, okay, but it's not solution. Don't forget, don't think it's solution. You have to get your own solution, okay? And yeah, this is the lens. It's very soft and very light, so yeah, I'm going to put it like here. You know, the funny thing is that it will stick anywhere but your eyes. I'm going to put it here, and then you look, my mirror is here, you look into the mirror, and then you bend your neck and then you bring this down, and then you put it and then you drag it up. Okay guys, yeah, so the last one is in the green one, and this is so light that it sort of like blends into my brown eyes, so it's showing more like greenish brown, you know. It's beautiful. It's really light and soft. So yeah, this is it. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the lens, the last one, the green one. And don't mind the fact that my eyes is a little bit red. Of course, I had to cry small. It is my first time wearing lenses, but it's not uncomfortable. It's just my eyes reacting to something new, like what the hell are you putting in your eyes? Yeah, this is the hell I'm putting in my eyes. Okay, yeah, so this is it. This is the green one. This is amazing. I love this. Okay guys, tell me your favorite one. Do you like the green one, or do you like the golden one, or do you like the blue one, or do you like the brown one? Tell me your favorites in the comment section. I'm going to leave the details to their website in the description box. Just go there, check them out, get some amazing lenses, fill out your prescription if you use prescription. If you use medical glasses, yeah, English. If you use medical glasses, and yeah, and it took about like a week to get to me, so I figured the delivery is fast. It didn't take much time. So yeah, this is it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all right, and head over to my Instagram to watch how I created this amazing look. I was gonna say weird look, but it's the art of creativity. This is where the creativity brought me to. Purple lips and green, I don't know what this color is, but yeah, this is it here. All right, so head over to my Instagram and check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, okay? All right. Okay guys, so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. All right.